If you want to build Shopify stores that look like this in less than 2 minutes, now you can. Meet Atlas, the AI store builder that makes launching a professional brand easier than setting up a Shopify account. What used to take days or even weeks can now be done with just a few clicks. Simply paste a product link, select your language, and click generate. That's it. Our AI conducts market research and builds your entire store using our Atlas theme. Homepage, product page, FAQs, and sales copy. Just select the images you want, change the colors, edit the copy, or skip all that and click import. Our Atlas theme features over 30 sections, unique components, and custom animations to add that branded aesthetic everyone wants. Selling multiple products? Just pick the store you want to add products to and follow the same steps used to build your store. It's that easy. Now, Atlas is an AI store builder, but there's more to selling products online than just your store, so we decided to make things even better. Our most popular tool right now being our integrated bundler app. That way, you don't have to pay for another app or give up revenue to create unique offers. To set this up, just click Create Bundle, build your offers, edit the design, and add it to your store. Then track the analytics to see what works. Now let's talk visuals. Rather than spending thousands on photo shoots or mastering the art of Photoshop, use our AI product photo tool to turn boring stock images into professional grade product photos with one prompt. Just train the AI model on 4 images of your product, then use the auto-generated prompt and make edits to get whatever style, background, or vibe you want. Atlas is the #1 AI store builder on Shopify, and we're not just saying that. No one comes even close. In just the last 4 months, Atlas users have made over $12 million in revenue, growing by over $200,000 every single day. So try Atlas yourself for free on the Shopify App Store.